Hey guys, it's Miss Athos. This week's assignment involves creating a t-shirt design. So one of the options I want to show you is how to create a clipping mask and fill a shape with an image. You can also fill text with an image. The opportunities are endless. So we are starting here with this image of a rose, and I want to clip it to a shape. So the shape I'm using is a heart. It has this white background, so I need to remove it. I am going to start by unlocking my layer. If you look over here in the layers panel, click on it, unlock it. You might not need to do this, but the file that I downloaded had a background. So I'm going to select my magic wand, and I am going to click in the white space. I'm going to hold down the Shift key so I can add to my selection. And once I'm done, I can either go to Edit and Clear, or I can just click Delete on my keyboard. So now you can see I have a transparent background. You can see by the pattern, and I deselected it. So now I'm going to get my Move tool. The other image I have open is of a rose. So what I'm going to do is drag. I'm going to use my Move tool, click, drag, keep holding, drag it down before you let go. So you can see it's a little bit small, so I'm going to get it to a better size to fit my image. As I reposition it, you can see it looks a little pixelated while you're transforming, but it evens out after you approve. So you can see it cleaned up the edges. So now I want to clip my image to this shape. In order to do that, you need to have the shape under your image. So I'm going to go over here to my layers and unlock the background layer. I'm going to put the shape under my image just by clicking and dragging the layer. So you want to have your image on top, shape on the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is right click on the layer, and I'm going to choose Create Clipping Mask. Once you create the clipping mask, you can move your image around to get it in just the right spot. If you decide that you want to transform it, it's already in transform, but I just wanted to show you guys from the edit menu. And then you could make it larger if you wanted to. Once you're done, you're going to click your check mark, and you're going to save your file. So for this assignment, I have you guys saving as a PSD file. So you want to make sure that it comes up, or that you click on the drop down so you can choose it as an option. I'm going to click Save, and now my file is complete. Have a good day, guys. Bye.